Alright, this final shape uses all the same tools that we've been using in the past, along with a little radius tool. We'll come on to that very shortly. Let's zoom in. This time let's use the zoom in box, and we draw a box over what we want to zoom into. That'll just fill the screen a little bit better. So let's think of a strategy for this. We've got these two outer dimensions, 103 by 95. So let's draw a box that's 103 by 95. A new way I'm going to show you to draw a box this time is we can type in the actual coordinates here. Remember from before, we've got the absolute position of the cursor, we've got the relative position of the cursor, and this little box here, if we click this, we can change between the way that we type in the actual coordinates. So let's have REL for relative, and let's use the shape tool. It doesn't matter where we click here, we don't even need to have grid lock on. Let's click, and then we'll type in the coordinates of this box. So let's have 103 in the x-axis, and then minus 95 in the y-axis. So that will put the other corner of the box 103 millimeters and 95 millimeters down from where we first clicked. Click OK, and it now draws that box for you. Let's use the similar tools. We'll use the contour tool. Let's draw this circle here, so it's 30. Let's just change the colour of the contour line in this as we go. So if we change the colour of the line before we draw, then every future line will be drawn in that colour. So I'll have 30. We'll have another 30 offset, that's already there. 49. So we'll change that to 49. Let's use the line tool, change the colour back to black. Let's use the attach tool, right click to change the settings. Endpoint, intersection, those are the two I want to use at the moment. So we'll go from the intersection there to the intersection there. 33, let's do that bit. Contour line, 33 across from here. Let's delete now that bit there and that bit there. Let's locate this centre, a diameter of 24, so we can use that trick we learned in the last one. A radius is obviously half of the diameter, 24 over 2. Intersection there. Now this little radius tool, we're going to hold down the arc option, come all the way to the end. It says draw a filleted arc between two lines. It asks for a radius, that's 10, we'll leave as it is. And then we click on one line and the other line we want to radius, and it will draw a nice little fillet between them. We could have drawn a circle there and trimmed all the lines, but this is much easier. Let's delete some lines we no longer need. Let's delete these construction lines. Oops, we can't do that one because we need that section there. Let's just delete that end there. Let's delete these bits here. Let's turn that line black. Let's use the delete part tool to delete these missing lines we don't need. And now it's just a matter of adding dimensions, exactly the way we've done before, in order to double check that what you have drawn matches what it needs to be. And you can do that yourself.